This is a special day because it's a 20,000 slab pour.
Very special day today at our 20,000 slab pour.
I'm Wayne Hepburn. I'm the Director of Hepcon Constructions. We've been doing Carlisle Homes since the very first day. Look, this is my team behind me, and most of those guys have been with us for quite a number of years. We're at the 20,000 slab pour that we're doing for Carlisle. This is a knockdown rebuild, and when I found out it was the 20,000th house slab, it actually blew me away. And even saying it now, it's sort of, it makes me really proud to have been involved with Carlisle since the very start.
Yes, it does feel very special to be a part of 20,000 slab pour.
It's pretty exciting. I actually settled the 10,000th customer out in Clyde North, and that was probably about 5 or 6 years ago. So yeah, it's great to be a part of these milestones, and it's an amazing achievement.
The 20,000 slab pour is actually, it's not just the slab pour, it's the recognition of the relationships that we've built and maintained, and that's probably what I'm most proud of. Actually, when Andrew rang me on Thursday, as soon as he told me, I couldn't wait to get off the phone and ring John, the owner, and said thank you. We build good relationships, and we value those relationships, so yeah, hopefully we'll get another 20,000 in us.